Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration video of DroidCare. DroidCare is an Android application which can be used by patients of DroidCare to manage their medical appointments. There are two types of users for DroidCare application, which are patients and consultants. Consultants use the application to accept or reject their patients' appointments, and their accounts are made by the DroidCare IT administrators. Meanwhile, patients use the application to create, edit, and cancel appointments, and they use the application to create their accounts. To register for a patient account, tap on the register button. The application will show the registration form, and now let's key in a patient's particulars. If there is an empty field or the password entered is less than 6 characters, the application will display error messages on top of the form. When all the fields are correct, tap on the register button. The application will inform upon successful registration. To log in, tap on login button. If patients forget their password, they can tap on the forget password button. The application will prompt for their DroidCare registered email, then their DroidCare password will be sent to this email. Now let's check the email. After recovering the password, let's log in. When any field is left empty or invalid email or password is keyed in, the application will display error messages. Upon successful login, patients will arrive at the homepage where they can see all of their appointments categorized in 4 different tabs according to the appointment status, namely accepted, pending, rejected, and finished. Patient can edit their profile by tapping on the menu option at the top right hand corner of the page and choose Edit Profile. Let's change the country of residence to Malaysia and update the profile. The update is unsuccessful because patients need to provide password. The error messages can be found on top of the profile form. Only by providing all the necessary information, then the profile can be updated. Now let's check whether the profile has been updated. Next, let's create a new appointment. Tap on the menu option and choose Create Appointment. There are 3 types of appointments, which are normal, referral, and follow-up. By choosing different type of appointment, the application will automatically show different information fields in the appointment form that patient must provide in order to create the appointment. Let's create a normal appointment. The appointment which are just created can be seen in the home page under Pending Appointment tab. Only the appointments with pending status can be edited or cancelled. To edit the appointment, tap on the appointment and make changes to the detail. After changing the details, tap on the Edit Appointment button. Now, Peter Parker needs to wait for Dr. Abdul to validate his appointment.
Now, let's see how a consultant validates an appointment. Dr. Abdul needs to log into his account. Consultants can see all of the appointments of their patients. To accept or reject pending appointments, a consultant needs to open the specific appointment by tapping on it. Then, the consultant checks on the appointment details. Let's say Dr. Abdul accepts Peter's appointment. After this, Peter receives an email notification informing him of the status updates of his appointment. Peter's first appointment has finished and it will go under Finished tab. Now, Peter wants to create a follow-up appointment for his previous appointment. The appointment cannot be created and error messages are shown above. All of the information needs to be provided to successfully create the appointment. To give an image, tap the Select Attachment button and go to the Devices gallery to choose an image of pre-assessment. Then, tap on the Create Appointment button. Again, this appointment needs the consultant's acceptance. Dr. Abdul checks his patient's pending appointment again. Let's say Dr. Abdul rejects Peter's follow-up appointment and he can give remarks for rejecting the appointment. Similar to the previous appointment, the change in the status of this follow-up appointment will be emailed to Peter. The status of Peter's follow-up appointment will be changed to rejected. Patients can also cancel a pending appointment by tapping on the appointment, and then tap the Cancel Appointment button. The application shows confirmation message for the patients to confirm their decision. In addition, the application will send local notification, SMS and email 1 day prior to an accepted appointment to remind patients of their upcoming appointment. For example, this appointment will happen tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. Since the time now is 8:30 p.m., so the patient receives all the notification reminders.